Hi, I'm Udo and I'm with Modern Engineering. This is Dean, he's with Industrial Auto Lube. Today we're going to do a piece on maintenance and over lubrication in the sawmill. So Dean, in one of our previous videos we talked about how much a sawmill uses in lubrication.
Yes.
So we were saying it takes about 300,000 to 500,000. And we also touched on the fact that some people have a tendency to over lubricate.
The common thought process is a little is good, more's got to be better. And you know, it decreases bearing life, generates a lot of heat. There's environmental aspects. The ramifications are quite far-reaching.
One of the things that you did mention to me in the past is that some people are using the wrong oils in some of their applications. For example, and you equated it to a car, like somebody putting transmission oil into their motor, right?
Well, that's one of the reasons why a vehicle has so many different lubricants in it, because they're all doing a different job.
Right.
And they've all got different additive package, and they're designed to do specific things. And in a sawmill, hydraulic oil was probably one of the first oils brought in bulk, so it was readily available. So they figured, well, oil is oil, and they use it.
So what are the consequences of using, let's say, a hydraulic oil in the wrong application?
Hydraulic oil is designed to transmit power, so it's not going to prevent extreme pressure, contact, things like that. And you know, we'll use a gear lube in a lot of chain applications just because of the metal-to-metal sliding contact.
Right. So does it cause premature wear if you're using the wrong oil? Does it cause destruction? I mean, using no oil is bad, but you know, is there a correlation between somebody trying to come thinking, oh, well, I've just got some oil right here and I'm just going to use it on this application, and is that actually the wrong thing to do?
Yeah. A lot of times we will use hydraulic oil specifically in high-speed bearings.
Right.
Because it's a fairly light, clean oil. We'll use gear lubes and chain. You can look at some rock drill oils in various applications where you're not worried about water being brought into the machinery. So there's a number of different things that you can do, but by picking the proper lubricant for the right application, you can actually end up saving a lot of the lube that you would consume otherwise, because it does a better job.
So one of the things that you were telling me in the past is some people have a tendency to overgrease a bearing.
Yeah, it's, you know, it goes back to that thing. If little is good, more's got to be better, and they'll start putting all kinds of grease in until they see fresh grease pop out. Well, what you're doing then is you're pushing the seal out, and you're allowing a bunch of debris to get in, and you've just cut that bearing life down by, you know, years. Years.
So what you're telling me is that when somebody overgreases a bearing, you can decrease the bearing life by years.
Yes.
Wow. And then obviously there's the associated downtime. So a zealous worker overgreasing a bearing, it actually causes more downtime in a sawmill than you'd think.
80% of all downtime directly relates back to lubrication in one form or another. 60% of all bearing failures are due to over lubrication.
Really?
Yeah.
So not even the wrong thing is putting too much in.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know that. Thanks for watching, and if you need more information, go to the links below.